Dictionaries in Python. Python dictionaries are highly efficient for storing and retrieving data. Dictionaries are key value mappings. You give it a key and it gives you back a corresponding value. This mapping from keys to values makes dictionaries an invaluable tool to organize and manipulate complex data. A Python dictionary is created using curly braces. Let's make a dictionary to store student grades. Accessing the value of a particular key is easy. Just pass the key to the dictionary. But what happens if we try to access a key that doesn't exist, like Jane? Python will raise a key error. To avoid this, use the get method, which returns none if the key doesn't exist. We can add a new entry to our dictionary by assigning a value to a new key. Let's add Dan with a grade of 92. Notice that Dan now appears in our dictionary with the grade 92. You can also modify an existing value by reassigning it. Let's say Charlie just aced a test, so his grade is now 98. To remove a key value pair, use the del keyword. If Alice graduates, we can remove her from our dictionary. Dictionaries are iterable. You can loop through keys, values, or both. Here's how you can print all the students and their grades. Python dictionaries provide a flexible and efficient way to structure, access, and manipulate data. We've looked at how to create a dictionary, access and modify its contents, and iterate over it. Keep exploring dictionaries, and you'll find they are powerful tools in your Python toolkit.